Welcome to Vital Flow Wellness, your one-stop channel for all things health and wellness. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if you are seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. Today we're going to shed some light on a topic that affects us all, yet remains largely misunderstood: inflammation. This biological response is much more than just a buzzword in the health community. It's a complex process that plays a critical role in our overall well-being. Throughout this video, we will explore what inflammation really is, why it can be detrimental to our health, what triggers it, and most importantly, how we can keep it under control. We'll dive deep into the science behind inflammation and debunk common myths surrounding this widely discussed health topic. So, get ready to equip yourself with some valuable knowledge that could potentially transform your health journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of inflammation. Inflammation, a term we've all heard before, but what is it exactly? Well, let's break it down. Inflammation is essentially the body's response to injury or illness. It's like your body's own personal emergency response team, rushing to the scene whenever there's a problem. When your body detects something harmful, like an injury or an infection, it releases chemicals that trigger a response from your immune system. This response includes the dilation of blood vessels, increased blood flow, and the arrival of white blood cells to the area. These changes result in the familiar signs of inflammation we all know: redness, heat, swelling, and pain. But here's the thing, inflammation isn't always a bad guy. It's actually a crucial part of our body's defense mechanism. It helps us heal and protects us from further harm. However, like anything in life, too much of a good thing can be problematic. While inflammation is a crucial part of our body's defense mechanism, it can also become a problem. How can something so vital to our health become detrimental, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. While acute inflammation is a natural and necessary response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation is a different story. This persistent, low-grade inflammation can linger for months, or even years, and it's this type of inflammation that can wreak havoc on our bodies. Chronic inflammation is like a wildfire that doesn't cease, causing damage to tissues and organs. It's been linked to many serious health conditions including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Imagine the constant stress your body endures when it's continuously trying to fight off inflammation. Over time, this can lead to heart disease as it damages your arteries. It can also cause insulin resistance, contributing to diabetes. And in the worst-case scenario, chronic inflammation can even trigger the growth of cancerous cells. Clearly, chronic inflammation is something we need to avoid, but what causes it in the first place? Let's dig into the root causes of inflammation. One of the main culprits is our diet. Consuming foods high in sugar, saturated fats, and trans fats can trigger inflammation. These foods include processed snacks, fried foods, and sugary drinks, just to name a few. Then there's stress. When our bodies experience chronic stress, they respond by releasing chemicals that trigger inflammation. This is a natural response to protect our bodies. But when the stress doesn't let up, neither does the inflammation. Lack of exercise is another contributor. Regular physical activity can actually help reduce inflammation, so sitting on the couch all day isn't doing your body any favors. And finally, we come to toxins. These can be found in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even the products we use on our skin. Constant exposure to these toxins can lead to chronic inflammation. Knowing the causes, we can now explore ways to reduce inflammation in our bodies. Reducing inflammation in our bodies is a proactive step towards better health. Let's dive into some practical ways to achieve this. First and foremost, maintain a healthy diet. Opt for foods rich in antioxidants like berries, fatty fish, and leafy green vegetables. These foods can help fight inflammation and boost your overall health. Next, regular exercise is paramount. It doesn't have to be intense workouts. Even moderate activities like walking can help reduce inflammation. Remember, consistency is key. Third, ensure you're getting adequate sleep. Sleep is when our bodies repair and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can trigger inflammation, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lastly, don't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can cause inflammation, so find ways to unwind and relax. It can be as simple as reading a book, practicing yoga, or even just taking a few deep breaths. By adopting these measures, you can keep inflammation in check and pave the way for a healthier you. Inflammation, while essential, can become a silent threat if left unchecked. As we've explored, inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection, a crucial part of our immune system. But when it spirals out of control, it can lead to chronic conditions and severe health issues. We've delved into the causes of inflammation, from poor diet and stress to lack of exercise. We've also examined its impact on our health, highlighting the importance of keeping it in check. And most importantly, we've shared actionable ways to reduce inflammation, incorporating healthier lifestyle choices like balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and stress management. To continue your journey towards better health, stay connected with us. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video informative. We're committed to bringing you more such enlightening content on health and wellness. Remember, every step towards better health counts, so start today and embrace a healthier, inflammation-free life.